Hey guys, how y'all doing and welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs. And today I'm going to be working on hard piping this from the RV over to the septic tank over there. He's got a temporary setup down here. We're going to remove that. Then I'm going to use, let me show you what I've got over here. I'm going to bring you in closer. So I've got this existing pipe and parts here that was already built by somebody else. I'm not sure if it was built for a different site, but it's not quite long enough to hook it up over here. And the last time this was hooked up, this bayonet broke off at the end of it, so I've got a new one. And what I'm planning on doing is, I've got some more pipe over here too. I'm going to add this onto it just to make it long enough to reach. And I think I might have another small problem over here too. When I do put it all together, it looks like it still won't be perfectly square, so I think I'm going to have to, maybe take that off and shorten this pipe up a little bit. Let's get started. So when I talked to the RV owner on the phone, he told me to use these blocks over here. So I think I'm going to do that first. I'll take these over there and we'll set them up, and then we'll just build right on top of them. Alright, so I've got this part here finished. I was short one or two blocks to complete this, but I had to raise it up anyways to keep it sloping downwards towards the drain. But like we talked about before too, I'm a little off, so I am going to have to, I think I'm going to take this off right here. And I've already measured over there. I think if I cut off about 5 inches, we'll have a pretty nice looking 90 going into the RV. So I'm going to do that next. Okay, this looks pretty square to me now, so next we're going to come over here, cut off this pipe, and then glue the new bayonet on there and make our connection. Yeah, I think I'm going to let that dry before I pull it forward and thread it on. All right, now, so we've got this thing fully assembled. Unfortunately, the RV owner is out of town right now, so I won't be able to test this for leaks, but, I don't think it's going to leak. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.